Hi everyone, this is Sonam Bajwa and you're watching me on DNA.
सत श्री अकाल जी सारे नु आप सोच रहे होंगे आज मैंने ऐसी शुरुआत क्यों की है वेल बिकॉज आज की जो मेरी गेस्ट है बहुत खास है शी हैज रूल्ड पंजाबी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री नाउ शी इज हियर टू रूल बॉलीवुड यस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द वेरी टैलेंटेड सोनम बाजवा थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग एंड सत श्री अकाल
Sat Shri Akal and thank you so much for having me.
So first one, congratulations because we all have loved you in Punjabi cinema. We have seen all the terrific work that you have done. But जिस तरीके से आपने last year Bollywood में इस year मतलब अभी वो आ रहा है, but इस साल जो आपने शुरुआत की है Bollywood में with 3 films and Deewanet, of course, who can forget that? How do you look upon your journey?
Well, the journey in Hindi film started this year.
Yeah.
I think 2025 was so special. I've been so blessed to receive so much love in Punjabi films. And I got to see audiences' love for the films that I did this year and the kind of love I got for Deewanet was very overwhelming and I'm just so grateful. And I was just thinking today that okay, towards the end of the year, I have so much to thank God for. I have so much to thank the audiences for. So I'm just very happy. I feel like the year was blessed, amazing, and I could not have asked for anything better than this. Yeah.
अच्छा, दीवानेट के लिए आप बोल रहे हैं प्यार बहुत मिला है लेकिन जो आपका कैरेक्टर है आई एम श्योर प्यार के साथ नफरत भी मिली होगी which is the win for an actress for you. तो उसके बारे में बताएं आप have you got some message कि आपने क्या किया we got so angry because I told you something.
I saw so many memes, so many comments, so many videos. हमारा लड़के को मरवा कर look यहाँ पर रील बना रही है and all of that, and I wanted to comment and say that was the character that I played. Right. I was so tempted to comment that please speak to Milap. He's the one who made me do this. But yeah, like you said, it's a win for an actor, right? When people are so convinced that whatever is happening on screen is happening in real. But it was magical to see so many people being personally involved and invested in my character in the movie, and I had a lot of fun. I still have some of the memes saved in my phone.
वो हम देखेंगे बाद में आप एक कैमरा में दिखाइए. अच्छा एक चीज है एक एक्टर को बड़ा होता है कि यार मैं खुद लाइव ऑडियंस में जाके फिल्म को देखो ऑडियंस का क्या रिएक्शन होता है. दीवानेट के टाइम पे कुछ ऐसा हुआ आप उसके बारे में प्लीज बताएं.
So I had the chance to go to Gaiety Galaxy. Okay. तो वो बहुत spontaneous plan था. काफी टाइम से डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि सब लोग साथ में फिल्म देखते हैं. We'd seen it obviously together as a crew. We've seen it together. And once the film started getting the kind of response that it was getting, we all decided and planned that okay, let's go watch it in Gaiety. Now it so happened that अब गेटी में जाएंगे देखेंगे कैसे but we do not want to distract the audiences कि अब वो फिल्म देखने आए we don't want to ruin that experience so we were like okay we have to go in disguise now we have to figure out how to go so the plan only we made it so last minute फिर डिसाइड हुआ कि हम लोग बुरखा पहनते हैं. Now someone's gone to buy the burqa. He's got the wrong kind of burqa. Now Harsh is not fitting into the burqa.
So he also wore a burqa.
He also wore a burqa. I can see his muscles popping out, and I'm like, this is not your size. He's like, but this is the biggest size they got. And I'm like, but इसके पीछे का कहाँ है? मेरे बाल तो cover नहीं हो रहे. And we were like, so we missed 20 minutes of the film just trying to fit and in that look in the burqa. And then we were like, okay, अब जो है सो है चलते हैं at least our faces are covered. Right. But we were laughing. I said, Harsh, like this people will surely recognize that it's you. Like look at your muscles. But it was hilarious how we made it inside the theatre. It was my first experience to ever go to Gaiety.
Right.
It is beautiful. It is one of a kind. I've never seen a theatre like that. So we went and people were so invested in the movie that they didn't care कि कोई ये बहुत muscular lady बैठी है in the burqa. They didn't care and I will forever cherish that experience because the way the audiences were responding and reacting to the songs, to the dialogues, to everything.
To the twist, interval wala.
Yes.
God.
कुछ लोग गाली भी दे रहे थे. But इतनी खुशी मुझे महसूस हुई इस तरह का ऑडियंस का रिस्पांस देख के विच इज बिगर जब आप इस तरह का प्यार इस तरह का रिस्पांस देखते हैं उस दिन आपको महसूस होता है कि इट्स वे बिगर देन एनी अवार्ड that you can ever get.
Right.
Awards are very special. They are very encouraging. But this kind of response when you see live from the audiences, when they don't even know that you're there, so it is magical. And I just wish and I pray that God give me this experience over and over, in my career.
Right. Sonam, so now on to see आगे Bollywood. So मैं थोड़ा jump करूँगा बीच में पंजाबी में तो गुस्ताखी माफ. But I'm saying here now because you have entered into Bollywood also. So how do you look upon to your trajectory? मतलब are you trying to balance? Are you looking forward to balance Punjabi films and Bollywood? या थोड़ा झुकाव Bollywood की तरफ ज़्यादा होगा? What's your take on that?
Up until last year, I realized that okay, just within myself, I felt that this is the time for me to transition into Hindi films. I had my share of contribution, my part to play in Punjabi cinema, and I just so felt that okay, this is the right time that I focus into Hindi films, and I did that. But Punjabi films will always have my heart, and I would always try and do one film a year. But yes, primarily the focus will be here. But I will make sure that I do one film in Punjabi cinema every year. So I've shot one film already for 2026 for Punjabi fans and audiences. और 2026 का जो हिंदी फिल्मों का लाइनअप है उस पर अभी मुझे फोकस करना है. बट कोशिश हमेशा रहेगी कि जो पंजाबी फैंस हैं, ऑफ कोर्स उनका सपोर्ट मुझे हिंदी फिल्म्स में मिला है, मिलता रहेगा, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें, कुछ कहानियाँ आपकी लैंग्वेज में होनी चाहिए. तो वो फिल्में मैं हमेशा पंजाबी फैंस के लिए एक फिल्म साल की डेफिनेटली आई विल ट्राई एंड डू.
Okay, so 2026 की बात करें तो very first release जो आपकी होगी, and so very anticipated film which is Border 2.
जी.
जब मैंने आपको देखा with दिलजीत, I was so happy. मतलब कुड़ी ने फटे चक दे. मतलब और साल खत्म हुआ है, next फटाफट we are watching her back on screen with दिलजीत पाजी, Border 2 इतनी बड़ी film. What's your take on that? मतलब there are too many hopes.
Yeah.
Tell us about your character and your whole experience.
This film is very special to me. I've grown up watching Border. I don't know how many times. We all have, right? That film means so much to all of us. So the moment I got to know that there's a film called Border 2 that's in the making, and when I got to know that Anurag Singh is directing, and I worked with Anurag, and मेरी पहली फिल्म दिलजीत के साथ जो थी 1984, वो अनुराग ने ही डायरेक्ट की थी. That film is my most special film, out of all the films that I've done in Punjab. That film changed my life, my career. So it is a very special association. This association's always been very special. तो सच पूछिए तो दिल में एक डिज़ायर थी कि oh my God, मुझे काश Border 2 का हिस्सा बनने का मौका मिले. And I reached out to Anurag and he said yes, I have something for you in the movie. And we met after a couple of days. He narrated me and I said I'm doing it. Yes, I said I'm doing it, and I'm very excited, very grateful. The film means a lot to all of us, in fact. So I'm very excited. और बहुत खुशी है इस बात की कि 2026 की शुरुआत जो है वो बॉर्डर से होगी. Film's very special. I'm very excited for it. First day of being on set, I remember. I think a lot of memories from Punjab 1984 came back to me, and also the memories of watching Border on TV and then being on set and Sandese Aate Hai playing. We also shot the song. So it was so amazing. And दिलजीत के साथ हमेशा ही काम करके आपको मज़ा तो आता ही है, आप कुछ सीखते भी हैं उनके पैशन से, उनके काम से, वो जैसे है. And Anurag is a fantastic director. So it was amazing to be back on set with these two legends, these two amazing talented human beings. Okay. And I can't wait actually for you all to see, क्योंकि जिन्होंने पंजाब 1984 देखी है, of course मैंने और दिलजीत ने और भी फिल्में की हैं, but you will not believe how many people who watched the 1984 took out the clips from 1984 and attached Border. They said from this to this, and they were so excited. So we got so much of love and support and this kind of excitement from people for who loved me and Diljit together.
Right. Okay. So how easy or tough is it to break into Bollywood? even after knowing the fact that you have done such a brilliant work in Punjab, but still, there has been a time जो आप यहाँ पे आए and finally we are seeing you. Tell us about that.
You know, more than I would say that breaking into tough, easy, but I think anywhere, even in Punjab, always making the right choice has been important to me. So there were opportunities always in Hindi films for me, but of course my commitments in Punjabi cinema kept me busy, occupied, traveling most of the time, and I was doing 3 films a year. There were years where I've shot almost 4 films, 3 films I've shot, and there's 1 release happening. So the entire year I was very busy. So like I said, you know, I very, very clearly remember that pretty much in 2023, the mid of 2023 is when I started feeling that this is the perfect time for me to transition. I've done a fair share of contribution in Punjabi cinema. I've had a very beautiful, enriching, very fulfilling journey so far. So it's time to move on, and then I had to just see. But the main focus and the thought that I had was I wanted to do different sort of scripts. So luckily I had a comedy film. I also had a very high on drama film. So I was happy to choose films of different genre. That was my first intention कि अगर मैं हिंदी फिल्मों में step करती हूँ, I want to be doing comedy also. I want to do a little bit of I want to try action also, and I, of course, because I personally am a huge fan of romantic films, high drama intensity films. हालांकि लोगों ने मुझे पहली बार इस तरह के genre में देखा है, लेकिन मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So goal वो था. टफ क्या था, इजी क्या था, आई डोंट नो, बट क्या होता है कि एक कंफर्ट होता है. आप बहुत टाइम से एक इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं तो एक कंफर्ट होता है, एक पैटर्न होता है. Of course, this was a newer territory for me. Things are not exactly how it is when I work in Punjab. It was new, it was different, it was a lot of learning. But again, when I look back and see, I feel like, wow, this was meant to be. Thank God I followed my gut, my conviction. And when I decided that, okay, you know, it's time to transition, time to move ahead. And I don't know how difficult, how this, that, but it was amazing, and I'm very thankful for whatever happened in 2025.
अच्छा, so you've been part of big films, हाउसफुल 5 हो या दीवानियत हो, लेकिन ये फिल्में जब आई पब्लिक ने पसंद की, लेकिन जब हम क्रिटिसिज्म की बात करते हैं तो ये दोनों फिल्मों पर क्रिटिसिज्म बहुत हुई है. What's your take on that? क्योंकि लोग जैसे दीवानियत के भी, और एक तो होता है क्रिटिक्स क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, वो ठीक है, एक होता है जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स करते हैं, वो भी हम देखते हैं. What's your take on that?
मुझे ये लगता है कि क्रिटिसिज्म, फर्स्टली यू हैव टू बी ओके विद द फैक्ट दैट if you're okay to receive the appreciation, I should also be okay to have the criticism. But how much I let that affect me is up to me. So everyone has a right to opinion. Like आज हो सकता है आप एक फिल्म देखिए, जैसे आप आज मुझे मिले और आपको दीवानियत बहुत पसंद है, जेन्युइनली पसंद आई, बट हो सकता है कल को मैं एक फिल्म करूं जो आपको नहीं पसंद आई हो, तो that does not make you a bad person or Sonam Bajwa hater. It's just a very individual approach, thought and palate to the cinema. Like खाने में हम सबका टेस्ट अलग है. हो सकता है कि राजमा चावल मेरे बहुत फेवरेट हो, and राजमा चावल is a very good dish, but आपको शायद कढ़ी चावल पसंद हो. So it's okay, and I'm very okay for people to have the right to have an opinion and voice their opinion in a nicer way. Sometimes it's hurtful when people say it in a very bad way, but having said that, I'll be very honest with you, commercial success of a film is the most important thing.
Correct.
So if a film has made an X amount of business and money, that means those number of people have come and watched it.
Right.
और हो सकता है कि कोई फिल्म की ओपनिंग बहुत अच्छी हो जाए, लेकिन फिर मंडे वो कैसा सस्टेन करती है. So all these films that you're talking about, which maybe to an extent got a little bit of criticism, also did well eventually.
Correct.
So there is the audience, there is definitely an audience who enjoy this kind of film. Maybe you don't enjoy it, maybe I don't enjoy it, or maybe we love it, they don't love it. But at the end of the day, we have to be okay with the fact that हर किसी का पर्सनल चॉइस है, पसंद है ना पसंद है, यू हैव टू बी ओके. इफ समबडी इज अप्रिशिएटिंग योर फिल्म, ओह माय गॉड थैंक यू सो मच. इफ समवन सेड मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगी, ओके श्योर. Maybe my idea as an actor anyways is to do different kind of films, and I've tried to do that this year.
Correct.
And we'll do different films. Maybe they'll like that.
Okay, सोनम से जैसे आप बोल रहे थे कि मैं जब आपको पूछा कि हाउ टफ और इजी टू ब्रेक, तो आपने कहा कि टफ इजी पता नहीं, बट ये जो जर्नी रही है वो अपने आप में एक रहा है. इट्स अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस. One thing which is very much in this fact, we have to set our own limitations also, our own boundaries. Tell us about that. When you decided to, हाँ मुझे अब jump लेना है, so there might be a certain thing where you are like, ये मेरा no zone है, यहाँ पे तो मैं जाना है, यहाँ पे मैं एक लक्ष्मण रेखा खींचूंगी, ये मैं नहीं करने वाली, ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. Was there anything that you decided?
This year, no. In fact, when you grow as a person, you grow as an actor. Like maybe a couple of years ago, maybe I thought, okay, maybe I'll not explore this kind of genre, or maybe I'll not go, I'll not pick up this kind of script. But people change with time. You evolve with time. Your thinking will change with time. You understand things differently. So I don't think I had said or I'd put any limits. To be honest, that's why I wanted to try different kind of films. But having said that, the difficult thing was for me to say no to a couple of Punjabi films, because एक वो comfort zone है आपकी, एक जिसे कहते हैं ना, एक फैन फॉलोइंग है वहाँ पर, आपकी एक सेट ऑडियंस है, उनकी सेट एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं, तो मुझे उनको भी लेट डाउन नहीं करना था. तो वो बैलेंस करना, और फिर अगर एक ही फिल्म करनी है तो वो उस तरह की फिल्म वहाँ पर कौन सी होगी वो चुनना, दैट वाज डिफिकल्ट. एंड ऑल्सो all these films pretty much I was doing simultaneously, from Houseful to Diwaniya. Of course Houseful came first. तो क्या होता है कि आप वो एक ensemble film है. I had a high on drama, solo, one-on-one film, but to have that patience and faith that okay, if people have seen me in this, my next one's going to be this. So having that faith in yourself and in God, that okay, this has come. This people are thinking, no, I don't want to be typecasted that I can only be in glamorous roles or comedy roles. Right. I can also look this and I can also perform this, was my intention. And to wait for those couple of months for the other films to come out was, I think, a bit of a, I won't say challenge, but a thing in my mind, for sure.
I tell you where I'm coming from. So I've seen your Punjabi films, और मैं आपका यहाँ पे transition देख रहा हूँ. So are you very much okay for, जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि intimate scenes हो गए या जैसे on screen kiss हो गया, are you okay with that? मेरा ये question.
Again, पता नहीं, मुझे लगता है a lot will depend on,
because there is a certain image ना that all your fans have, so वो एक बात.
100% more than image. मैं अगर एज सोनम भी सोचूं और अगर ये 2 मिनट के लिए भूल जाऊं कि एक ऑडियंस है, दूसरों के बारे में ना सोचूं, अगर मैं खुद के बारे में भी सोचूं, तो मुझे लगता है कि फिलहाल ये फिक्सेट करना कि मैं ये नहीं करूंगी और मैं वो नहीं करूंगी, आई डोंट नो. आई वांट टू गो विद द फ्लो एंड सी, एंड इफ ट्रूली समडे something comes up which feels okay to me and I have an intimate scene, I don't know. I mean, initially I think I had kept those barriers that no, not this, not that. But when you grow as an actor also, and I know people will have different things to say about this also, कि वो अच्छा देखा अभी वो, but don't we grow with time? Of course. Don't we a lot of times say few things, but when we grow in our understanding, we view things differently. Correct. We figure out कि no यार, maybe I thought about this like this, but it's not really like this. So I don't have anything of those things in my mind, even in terms of roles. अगर आप मुझसे पूछे कि आप किस तरह की अगली फिल्म करना चाहेंगे, मुझे नहीं पता. मुझे कुछ अच्छा करना है, मुझे जो भी करूं उसमें मेहनत पूरी करनी है, उसमें पूरे दिल से करना है, उसको अच्छे से निभाना है. पता नहीं, शायद एक्शन हो, शायद रोमांस हो, शायद कोई फैमिली ड्रामा हो, शायद कॉमेडी हो, पता नहीं. सो अभी तो बिल्कुल भी मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि लाइफ में, जिस करियर में नहीं, ये जो इतना ये नहीं वो नहीं, यस, आपको अपने वर्क एथिक्स पे कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना है. वो मैं आज भी फॉलो करती हूँ. मुझे अपने वर्क एथिक्स पे कभी भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना है, अपनी कॉन्शियंस पे कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना है. बट प्रोफेशनली किस तरह की कहानी किस तरह से, आई डोंट वांट टू फिक्सेट ऑन दैट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट.
That's a good thing. That's a learning process क्योंकि आप
जी.
you are open to everything and जो आएगा and सीधी बात है after दीवानी इतना everyone will gonna expect something on that line या उतना वो substantial role चाहिए ये जितना भी आपके हिंदी फैंस हो गया पंजाबी फैंस तो एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे. So now you have a bigger challenge to actually go forward with.
Let's see.
Let's see.
It's good to have these kind
है
of
ना?
expectations, right? When people put their faith in you and they've seen you in a author back role and then they expect, that's a good thing. It's a good expectation and challenge to have.
अच्छा सोनम, so how do you look upon to this phase where आप पंजाबी actors, you, Amy Paji, Diljit, जिस तरीके से बॉलीवुड में है and they're getting loved so much. How do you look upon to this phase? Because ये कुछ समय तक तो थोड़ा possible नहीं था. कुछ समय पहले.
This phase is amazing. There are opportunities for all actors from all regions.
Right.
And मुझे honestly speaking मुझे ये problem कभी नहीं लगी क्योंकि I was born in Uttarakhand, raised in UP, but because my mother tongue is Punjabi, so I was very comfortable in Hindi, Punjabi. It just so happened, of course, I started my career in Punjabi films. लेकिन ये कहीं ना कहीं ये था जरूर कि हिंदी फिल्मों में काम करना है.
Okay.
पर वो of course वक्त और वो टाइमिंग और वो इधर फोकस करना एंड पूरा डिवोट करना एक बहुत ही कंफर्ट जोन आपकी एक सेट चीजें हैं वहां पर उसको छोड़ के यहाँ आना नए सिरे से शुरू करना डिफरेंट चीजें ट्राई करना तो वो है. बट ये फेज बहुत अमेजिंग है आई थिंक हर एक एक्टर के लिए इस वक्त, चाहे वो रीजनल सिनेमा का हिस्सा रहे हो नहीं रहे हो. जिस तरह का कंटेंट अभी आ रहा है, अगर आप में टैलेंट है, अगर आप मेहनती हैं, अगर आप उस रोल में फिट होते हैं तो अभी देखिए किस तरह का काम हो रहा है.
Right.
किस तरह के प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं. आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग एंड अ गुड फेज फॉर ऑल एक्टर्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट रीजन्स. And you see how many South Indian actors are working in Hindi films, a lot of Punjabi actors, Bengali actors. So it doesn't even now feel like only Hindi actors. Like every actors, Punjabi actors are working in South.
Right.
I'm just waiting for South Indian actor to work in Punjabi. There should be a...
Because साडी कुड़ियां on the ball and they have done it. Even you included.
Yeah.
You have done a few Tamil and Telugu films, right?
Yeah, I
So
think it would be fab to
है
see
ना?
Diljit Dosanjh and Allu Arjun in a film, right? It will be such an interesting combo.
He has become a favorite also, ना मतलब कंतारा देख लो
जी,
या कल की
उन्होंने
देख लो.
कितना अच्छा
Yeah,
म्यूजिक
yeah.
he's been part of such great songs there also. Yeah.
You know what I was thinking being this movie goer कि यार like we had Bahubali,
हाँ.
something from South that travel across whole world. I think something from Punjabi should also come and to travel whole globe. आप आज ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਡਰਾਮਾ ਫਿਲਮ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਭ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਮੰਜੇ ਬਿਸਤਰੇ ਆ ਸਭ it ran pack house ਸਾਡੇ
Correct.
I've seen it.
Yeah.
But still something on that level. What's your take on that? A dream? This is what I think.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ I feel that every industry has a strength, right? Even though Punjabi industry is a newer industry, it's probably the youngest industry,
yes.
in terms of cinema. But the strength of Punjabi industry is comedy. आप बीट नहीं कर सकते पंजाबी जो कॉमेडी फिल्में हैं हमारी, जो ह्यूमर है, जो स्पॉन्टेनिटी है. ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ पर अच्छी कॉमेडी फिल्म्स नहीं, यहाँ भी बहुत अच्छी हैं, साउथ की भी होंगी अच्छी, मैंने नहीं देखी है. लेकिन जो जिस तरह की कॉमेडी फिल्म्स हमारे यहाँ बनती हैं आप उन्हें बीट ही नहीं कर सकते. सो हर एक इंडस्ट्री की स्ट्रेंथ है. एंड आई थिंक दोज फिल्म लाइक now even Punjabi films are not, I would say not that easily, but pretty much every year one film is doing I think 100 crores. Last 2-3 years I've seen that. And those are comedy films. People, I think our culture, people just love humor. When families sit together, अगर मैं अपने घर की बात करूं तो हम सब जब परिवार इकट्ठे होकर बैठता है तो किसी को सस्पेंस नहीं देखना है. Everybody wants to just laugh together and eat together, right? So the comedy film becomes the first choice automatically. So the industry strength is that. I just hope that we take that plunge and explore a little bit in other cinema, other genres in Punjabi films, क्योंकि talent तो बहुत है. मुझे लगता है कि वही एक बार कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा सा कुछ और ट्राई करना पड़ेगा, बट देयर इज सो मच पोटेंशियल इन पंजाबी फिल्म्स एंड अब तो गाने हर जगह आप जाइए सब पंजाबी, साउथ इंडियन फिल्मों में पंजाबी गाने हो रहे हैं तो जी. सो आई फील लाइक लैंग्वेज इज ऑफ कोर्स स्लोली बिकमिंग एवरीवन्स फेवरेट लैंग्वेज पैन अक्रॉस इंडिया. सो धीरे धीरे आई थिंक पंजाबी फिल्में भी और ज्यादा बेहतर करेंगी एंड आई होप दैट फॉर पंजाबी फिल्म्स whatever little I can contribute, I will do that. I've been doing that and will try and do even better in terms of uplifting and doing better for the Punjabi films.
You know, we can go on and on, like समय की कमी. तो दो सवाल आपसे बनते हैं. So when you said ना कि comedy is a strength, somewhere you know I have analyzed किया जब हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत hard hitting drama भी आते थे कई बार वो work नहीं करती. I've seen Ardas 3. It was a brilliant film, but वैसा response नहीं मिला जैसा मिलना चाहिए था as compared to Carry On Chatter. There are other फिल्म्स एज वेल जब हार्डकोर वॉर ड्रामा आ जाती है तो वैसी नहीं करती. आई थिंक हमारे यहाँ पे एक जॉनर पर्टिकुलर तो है कि हाँ भाई कॉमेडी है तो कॉमेडी चलेगी, बहुत ज्यादा ड्रामा हो जाता तो नहीं चलता इन पंजाब. व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट? घोड़े घोड़े इज आल्सो एन एक्सेप्शन बट स्टिल इट हैज अ मिक्स ऑफ ह्यूमर एंड ड्रामा एंड एवरीथिंग. बट एकदम
फिल्में वर्क करती हैं डिफरेंट जॉनर्स की कभी कभी, लेकिन अगेन इफ यू सी द नंबर्स, इफ यू सी द फुटफॉल, आई थिंक द कम्युनिटी प्रीटी मच. अब मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि डोंट कोट मी ऑन दैट, मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि कुछ और लोग देखना ही नहीं चाहते, बट पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री वेरी फर्मली स्टैंड्स ऑन द फैमिली ऑडियंस. तो जब आप परिवार के साथ जाते हैं तो आपको हंसना थोड़ा ऐसा
like
कुछ जो आप बच्चों के साथ भी देख सकते हैं, बड़ों के साथ भी. सो द कॉमेडी इन द ह्यूमर, you know, this space becomes a safe space. So I think that's why this is one of the most accepted genres in Punjabi film. And I think humor, the houses, the way the families are, एक humor जो है ना वो day to day का भी part है. So that's why I think the films do the best in this genre.
Correct.
But hopefully as we are growing, the industry is growing, when the different kind of films will come in, it is going to do better now.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
One last thing, Sonam, how do you look upon to the depiction of Sikh or Punjabi in Bollywood over the years, since we are 90s one to 90s से लेके अब तक जो आप देखते हैं? The very latest example was Animal, but still, how do you look upon to this phase, whole phase of depiction of Sikhs?
I think पहले से तो बहुत change हुआ है. Like earlier, like I think unintentionally, of course, it was the way it was portrayed. I don't think so it was very well researched or portrayed, but when I, as an audience, as a Punjabi audience, as a Punjabi girl, I watched Animal, I just was so connected. The kind of choice for the music, the folk song that they picked up, and the portrayal, the family, the unity, जो पिंड दिखाया है, सारा कुछ जो cousins एक दूसरे लिए कितना खड़े हुंदे आ, that was beautiful. That just shows the kind of research the director had done, the writer had done. And I really want to thank them for setting the standards for Punjabi culture and portrayal so high that I'm sure now anytime after this we'll have something, it'll be better or at least at that level. So that portrayal has definitely evolved, has become so much better and looks authentic now. जो पहले मिसिंग था, जो पहले नहीं था.
जी. Okay, Sonam, आपा तो जितनी मर्जी गला कर काट लगता है, but still, there's a border to is there. Are there any other projects that will land up? या तो सिर्फ 10 सकते हो सब बारे?
हाले नहीं 10 सकती. Yeah,
but we can expect 3 to 4 projects.
I don't know. Again, I'm just going with the flow. I don't know. But एक पंजाबी फिल्म तो definitely मई 2026 को रिलीज होगी. Border 2 आ रही है जनवरी में, और बाकी we'll see, and I hope that even 2026 is as magical or maybe more magical than 2025.
चलो ये दीवानी 2 चाहिए आपको, मतलब मेरे यहाँ पे तो है.
मुझे तो चाहिए. आप बोलिए, आप कहिए, मिलाप से, प्रोड्यूसर से, हर्ष से. I would love that.
मजा आएगा, मतलब लोग there are expectations, people are asking for दीवानी 2.
है ना? तो देखिए प्लीज लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट को एक्सेप्ट करें, कंसिडर करें और सोचें दीवानी 2 के लिए. जी,
thank you so much Sonam and wish you all the best. Really looking for Border 2 and every other projects that you will be starring. Thank you so much. Rab Raka.
Thank you.
That's it from DNA. Keep watching.